Hi guys, have you encountered EACCESS permission denied issue when targeting API 33? Even though you declared write external storage, read external storage, and even request legacy external storage, and still you get an EACCESS issue. Well, we have a fix for that. Just go to your manifest file and add these permissions. And on your Java code, just add a runtime request for the permission you needed. And don't forget to add an if statement for tiramisu. Now, when you check your app and you can see this permission and allow it, then you're good to go and you don't have that error anymore. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.